Blue, blue, where are you? Let's go find your color too. Blue, blue, shining bright. Blue is glowing, what a sight! Ball, kite, fish, shell. Blue is fun, can't you tell? Find the blue. 1, 2, 3. Look around, come with me. Ha ha! Blue, blue, calm and bright. Blue brings smiles day and night. Ball, kite, fish, shell. Blue is fun, very well. Sapphire shines bright today. Blue is back, hip hooray! Bye for now, play! Yellow's next, hip hooray!
Keep on smiling, keep on growing. Every day our minds are glowing. Bye bye friends, we'll meet again with Lila